everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through the Revit User Interface step by step from beginner point of view. If you open the Revit for first time, feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. By end of this video, you will know exactly what exactly what each part of the screen does. So when you first open the Revit, this is the start screen. So on the left, you'll see new. On the left, you see new to start a new project and open to open existing project, and you can see the recent files here on the bottom. So for the beginners, you usually start by clicking the new project and selecting the template such as an architectural template. So now I'm opening a new project and set the template. So you can see a lot of templates here. So now I'm using only the Revit template for the beginners. Apply the Revit template, architectural template, and click OK. If you see, this is the main interface. Now let's look at the main interface. The Revit interface is divided into the five main areas. So we'll go through each one. So this is called ribbon. So in here you can see architecture, structure, systems, insert, annotate, manage. So each tab contains the panels. So if we click here, this for the panels. So if you click structure, you can see beam. So under the architecture tab, you'll find walls, doors, windows, floors, all these things. And under the annotate tab, if you go to annotate tab, as a beginner, you'll find a text. So mostly use text, dimensions. You can see the dimensions here. And you can see the tags. You can tag by category, tag by material. So as a beginner, you'll spend most of the time in the architectural annotate tabs. So next thing we'll see about the project palette. So on the left side on the screen, we have a project properties palette. So this panel changes depending on the what is selected. Now I'm currently go to a architectural ribbon and clicking the wall, just trying one wall here. So if I click this wall, you can see the wall. So if nothing is selected, it shows view properties only. If you select the wall, it shows the wall properties. If you select the door, it shows the door properties. So this is where you change the dimension, change materials, change types, adjust constraints. Things of properties palettes as a place where you can edit and control elements. So next thing is the project browser. So below the project palette is the project browser basically. So you'll find floor plans, elevations, sections, 3D views, schedules, sheets. So to open any view, just double click on it. So currently I'm in level 0, you can see here. So I'm opening the elevation tab and click north. So now you can see the north elevation of the north elevation of this wall. So to as the project grows, the project browser becomes a navigation tool. So you can add a lot of ground floor, first floor. You can add how many floors you want. You can add here. You can make whatever elevations you want to make. You can make more elevations. You can do legends, schedules, sheets. So next thing is the drawing area. So in the center of the screen is called drawing area. This white space. This is where you can draw walls, place doors, windows, model your buildings, view plans, sections, and 3D views. So everything you create in the Revit appears here. So next one is I'm going to a view control bar. So at bottom of the drawing area, we have a view control bar. So this is allow you to change the scale of the view. So you can see you can change the scale of the view here. Currently in 100, you can 200, you can change to scale you want. You can switch between the detail of the drawing. So if you want to find it shows fine detail or the mid one or the coarse one, or else you can see the graphics style, like changing the shaded one, or you want to see the hidden one, and you can switch on the shadows or switch off the shadows, and you can control the detail levels as well. So this is very useful with switching between the concept design and the detail drawings. And next one is called status bar and option bar. On very bottom, you see the status bar. So it gives you tips and instruction based on what you're doing. So basically, like if you're doing something, like if you're clicking the wall, it basically show what I'm doing here, and you can give some suggestions as well. So next one is the option bar. You click just clicking this architectural ribbon, and I'll click the first row so that I can draw one wall for you, and then I'll show you how it's going. So you click the wall, and I'm clicking the wall here. So now you can see modify place wall height, constraints, connector, or you want to like level the wall in level one, or want one connector. You can mention the height, whatever you want, and offset and radius, all those things. It all comes on the option bar. So if you go to the quick, so our next one is called the quick access toolbar. At the very top, we have a quick access toolbar. So this is includes the save, undo, and redo. So you can customize this toolbar with tools you use often. And the conclusion, so the beginner-friendly overview of the Revit User Interface. To recap, we covered ribbon, so ribbon area, and this is the project palette and project browser, and drawing area, and view controls. So in the next video, we'll start drawing walls and creating a simple floor plan. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next Revit tutorial.